Hey guys, I'm walking right back down here to the beach to check out about what is going on with the seagulls at Atlantic Beach. It looks like some kind of disease or something. They're washing up on shore by the dozens. I was down here last night and found a bunch, and I'm going to investigate further and see if I can figure out if it was just like a storm or something, or if it's like the bird flu, because it's been going around North Carolina for a while. So, here we go. It is actually pretty beautiful down here. Hopefully we can get some answers. Wow, it's a lot more calm this morning than last night. Alright, so now I'm back down here at the beach. And already I found another one. This is just right here by the water. They washed up. We'll go see if we can find some more. So the good thing is it looks like they're cleaning them up, but the bad news is it looks like they are still washing up, because I found a couple new ones this morning, like this one right here. Well, they're looking like they might have been dead a while, but I don't know how fast they get decomposed over the water or whatever. It is a beautiful day though. Dang, this is pretty bad. Looks like we found another one. Ooh, sorry, buddy. I'm gonna have to clean these up. I would hate for more birds to eat them and have to pay the price. Looks like a bunch of stuff washed up here last night, so maybe it's from something else, but I'm hoping it's not the bird flu. We got seagulls flying around here now. If they eat the dead ones, it's going to be a problem. And we got another poor little fella. And this is looking fresh. What's going on out there? I don't know. I guess we're going to have to call local authority, see if it's known. I saw there was more done about pelicans dying, but there's been no news about the seagulls yet, or any other birds in the area. So, if you'd like to notify your local authority, this is tragic. Look, we got another one. It's just washed up inside those weeds. Oh. Terrible, man. It's like every 25 yards I walk, there's another dead one. Oh, that's a big fish head. Oh, crap. Another bird. Look. This is just what it's like all up and down the beach. You just... dead birds just washing up. Look. This is crazy, man. Let the Game and Wildlife authorities know. And just a few more steps. Here comes another one. And I can already see more further up. There's people up here checking them out, and their dogs look at them. I'm not sure that's safe. This is crazy. There's miles of shoreline of dead birds just washing up. It's disgusting and alarming. Oh, God. More and more and more. This is crazy. crazy. And here's another one. It's crazy, bro. I guess you should contact Inland Game and Fisheries or Game and Wildlife Authority, something like that. Maybe they'll know more. If you want to follow the story, like and subscribe, please. We're getting to the bottom of this.